Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I have showed how to fit various adsorption kinetics and adsorption ICR models using Originpro, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Excel Solver. These videos have been very popular and I recommend viewers to watch these videos. In this video, I would like to explain Weibull adsorption kinetic model. In this video, I would like to explain Weibull adsorption kinetic models. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Weibull adsorption kinetic model is a typical 3 parameters models where the equation of nonlinear form can be written as Qt equal to Qm 1 minus exponential t divided by tau to the power a, where t 50% equal to tau ln 2 to the power 1 by a, where t 50% indicates the time required to adsorb 1/2 of the maximum adsorbed quantity, and Qt is the amount adsorbed at time t, Qm is the maximum adsorption capacity, A is the global time index for fractal diffusion adsorption kinetic arising from geometric and energetic heterogeneity of adsorbance. In my next video, I will show you how to fit these Weibull kinetic models using both Origin and Microsoft Excel. This is the reference from where most of the informations have been collected. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for new updates.